Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I am discussing about comprehension writing. I have discussed many comprehension writing earlier also. We have learned how we write the comprehension. First of all, we should have to read the paragraph twice or thrice. After that, we should have to give answer of the question below the paragraph. It is a very technical writing. For this, today I have taken the paragraph that is happiness, after all, is an inner state of mind. It is little dependent on outside environment. Happiness has very little to do, for instance, with whether you are rich or not rich. Some of the most miserable persons I have come across in my life are the rich people. It is true that poverty makes one miserable in a very acute way, but my point in that it is not wealth but coordination of one's thought and action which removes inner conflict. It is in that way integration of personality is achieved. Today's paragraph is this. Now let's start with question and its answer. Today's first question is, what does the writer say about happiness? Its answer will be, happiness is an inner state of mind, inner state of mind. It does not depend, it does not depend on money, one has coordination, coordination, coordination of thought, thought and action. Action makes one happy, makes one happy. Now, second question is, what has happiness to do with health? To do with health. To do with wealth. Its answer will be, happiness has nothing. Happiness has nothing to do with wealth. Even the rich can even the rich can be unhappy. Rich can be unhappy. Next question is, how much is happiness dependent on outside environment? Our answer will be, it is little, L-I-T-T, little, D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T, dependent on outside, environment. Fourth question is, what are inner conflict? What are inner, CONFLICT? Our answer will be, inner conflict refer to the REFER. Conflicts refer to the lack of coordination, COORDINATION, coordination between THOUGHT, thought and action. Next question is, what is true about happiness in making miserable? Our answer will be, it is true. Question is, it is true about happiness in making miserable? Yes. Answer will be yes. It is true. It is true that poverty, poverty makes one, miserable, miserable in a very acute, acute way. Question number 6 is, how is integration of personality, personality, personality achieved, ACHIEVED? Our answer will be, the integration, DINTEGRATION, integration of personality, PERSONALITY, personality achieved through, ACHIEVED, achieved, THROUGH, achieved through coordination, COORDINATION, coordination between thought, THOUGHT, thought and action.